Hello friends, I am Rohan Sani with their team members. Today we perform experiment of blood group.
Principle. The human ABO blood group system is defined presence of absence of antigen A and B on the RBC. Human RBC processing will agglutinate in the presence of antibody directly towards the antigen present. Anti-A, anti-B and anti-D.
Procedure. Take a slide and 3 drop of blood drop on slide. Now drop anti-A in first slide. Now drop anti-B in second slide. Now drop anti-D in third slide. Now mix carefully with a mixing stick. Continue rotating and rolling the slide slowly for 2 minutes. First and second slide, then blood clots not seen, then blood group is O. Third slide, blood clots seen, then blood group is O positive.